Hi everyone, I'm Brianna Beverly and I'm here with...
Charlie Suarez, that King's Warrior Charlie Suarez.
You just won KO. How do you feel?
You know, I'm very happy and I'm very thankful that God gave me the strength and victory for this evening
Yes.
against Manuel Evalla.
The bout.
With the belt, with this belt, yes.
I love it. It's beautiful. It's nice. It's nice.
So,
Philippines. Family back home. What does the support for them mean to you?
yeah, you know, this fight I dedicate to my country, Philippines, and to my Philippine Army, where I belong, and to my family and to my team, especially to all the people who praying and support my every fight when I fight this here in the US.
Awesome. Anything you want to tell your family and supporters out there watching?
Yeah, to all my Filipino supporters, family and friends, and to all my team, and especially to the Philippine Army, where I belong. Thank you for all the prayers and support, and thank you for the guidance.
Awesome. Thank you so much and congratulations on your win.
Thank you, Probox TV. God
Thank
bless
you.
us all.
Where can they find you? Where can they find you? Where can they find you? On Instagram.
Yeah, you find me in my page, Charlie Suarez Official, and Instagram, Charlie Suarez. And yes, yun. Thank you.
Anything you want to say in Filipino?
Yeah, sa lahat ng mga, nasabi ko na, sa lahat ng mga Pilipino around the world, sa patuloy na suporta nyo, prayer sa akin. This is it, nakuha natin yung victory, praise the Lord, and sa lahat ng prayer warriors, sa team ko, sa Team Suarez, maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga media, sa Probox TV, kay Samson and kay Governor Luis Chavit Singson at sa Philippine Army. Marami pong salamat sa inyo lahat. God bless us all.
Awesome. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Congratulations.